All right, time to get this wall ready to go.
And let's just do this now.
What did you do if I was just like,
Ooh! You'd have to fill it here.
you want to be incredibly angry?
No, well, yes.
It's so foggy you can't see the mountain in the back. It's gone.
She gone.
Since all the other walls in the living room were looking pretty good, it was time to start working on the last wall, which we aren't really doing too much to. We just wanted to give it a fresh coat of paint. So to start that, we are, yes, again, going to fill some holes.
That side of the room is looking pretty gosh darn good.
That's because I'm standing.
It's looking good. It doesn't even look like the same room. It's wild. Okay, so while our spackling is drying over here, we're gonna make use of that time. We're gonna stain this.
Yeah!
Yay!
And we gotta sand it first. I brought a sander. I brought a sander. Now don't worry about the crown molding, or don't worry about the ceiling. You don't need to go up that high. Sort of circle motion, and then wipe it off really quick.
Can I borrow your undies?
Yeah. Wipe with wipe like this with the green. Yeah, wipe it right off. If you don't want it to be there anymore, you gotta really wipe it.
I'm trying. Oh, hey, that looks good where the little like knot is. Here it goes. Last little section.
Give her, yay.
It's
Take
just
it in
like
there.
some parts of the wood.
Some parts it doesn't quite.
It
like
really
here.
sticks to, and some parts of it doesn't. Yeah, that knot.
That's not won't do that.
No.
Yeah, that's a little bit better, isn't it?
That looks great.
In case anyone out there is wondering, this is the stain that we used for this. It's something that Tyler's dad just had in his basement for a really long time and just happened to let us use, and we loved the color, so that's why we used it.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, I'll follow only golden, golden things. Mountain laurel high five for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and a hummingbird wing. Golden, I'll follow only golden. Golden things. Gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden. I'll follow only golden, golden things.
After we finished giving the wall a fresh coat of paint, it was finally time to paint this windowsill. I started with a coat of the primer, the same primer that we used for the mantle, and then later we went on with a coat of the pearl, again, the same paint that we used for the mantle.
That stain looks great.
Oh, it does.
Walk up the river by my son.
So this window is proving to be a bit of a challenge. We've got, you know, a few holes here and there we really got to fill, but also the edge here is a hole, so like you can't cut in, so I think we're gonna have to fill that. There's also up here some things, and like across and like down there. There's just a lot of things that we're gonna have to fill before we do the second coat. Like there's a big crack down here that looks pretty bad. But it's coming along. All the other windowsills are painted. So this guy is the last one to go. So last night I puttied up this window where it needed to be puttied. We got some new sanding sponges. Now, you know the drill. To anybody out there watching, I apologize for looking like a potato the entire way through this transformation.
Yeah, I know, right, eh?
I just don't want to get any of my nice clothes dirty, and I don't want to put makeup on when I'm just painting a house. So.
She looks adorable anyway. And you better agree. I want to see in the comments how adorable she looks.
You're cute.
We're done. I'll find you. I have a very specific set of skills.
Which is what?
And I will find you.
Stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls.